Okay, then. He don't want to go. Let Seth go.
Seth want to go? Come on in.
Seth want to go in there. You want to go in there? Come on. Come on. Come on. Huh?
I can't.
Why you can't?
Because the door's not open all the way.
So you wanna be a gangster? All that shit. Smoke any motherfucker, don't even trip.
So seductive. Get out the way.
Men også den slags ting må man jo lære at takle.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger up the window getting fucked off? Lick.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
You know what happened with the D.R.E.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit cause I ain't the one for a good heart and I make the motherfucker wonder if you can. Damn right and I do it again cause I am licensed.
Alex Bernhardt joins us from the coast. Alex, what happened?
Well, Andrew, we arrived at the Upper Coomera home this morning. Police had just raided it because they believed that the man living there had a hand grenade. Now, it did turn out to be a fake, but we then decided to approach the man and see if he had anything to say. And at first he did seem quite calm, and he actually didn't even ask us to leave. But even before I was able to ask him a question, he gave me quite a surprise. Have a look at this.
If I can walk away, I'm going to throw his bucket for you.
Are you?
You can go again. I smoke a little bit a day.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Don't think shit stink, pink Gators, my Detroit players, Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Let's go, come on, man. Oh yeah, got it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, get him, I like it. Nice, good work, dog. Oh shit.
It's great outer beauty. I mean, we could say politically correct that the look doesn't matter, but the look obviously matters. Like you wouldn't have your job if you weren't beautiful.
You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Now, here's the thing. The rapper Snoop Dogg has gone to some extraordinary lengths to broaden his fan base by personally appealing to a Welsh farmer to come to his concert. The man in question, Ian Neal, caught Snoop's eye, and he broke the record for growing the world's biggest Swede. Keen to learn his skills, Snoop sent him a special invitation.
So Snoop heard about your talent,
yes,
didn't he?
Yes.
And he kind of got in touch over YouTube. Well, what did you think when you heard that message?
Bit strange, but it's not my type of scene, so I did turn the ticket down.
But in the end, we went to the booking office and managed to get him back, and I got my VIP pass with me to show my friends.
And you met him last night?
Met him last night, and I had a smoke with him. I don't smoke, but he offered me one, so I took one.
I'm hoping that's just tobacco.
No, it wasn't.
Hold up. Hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we gon' play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up. Hey, for my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, smoke weed every day.